here taking over. You can see it amongst all the people that are here. Box Fan Expo, it never misses and it won't ever miss. I love you guys. Thank you for everything. You got to come next year. You have to. We're taking it over.
Box Fan Expo, I think it's necessary. We need more moments and opportunities like this for the fans and the boxers. I'm happy that this is a moment for us all to kind of hang out for a moment.
I'm joined with the legend himself, Tommy Hearns. How are you? How does it feel to be here at the Box Fan Expo?
Feels great, feel great. Well, the energy and other things is so amazing.
It's exciting. I get to see all my friends. It's exciting.
Box Fan Expo is the best thing going, brother. We get this Box Fan Expo, we give people opportunity to come and meet their real celebrities.
Fan Expo, primeramente gracias a que organiza todo esto, nos hace parte de todo este tipo de eventos. Hacía falta algo así para este año por todo el desmadre que hay. Ya ven lo que está sucediendo. Estamos teniendo ahorita pues, un acercamiento con todos los paisanos que eso nos hace más felices. I think I'm happy to stay here. Expo Fan is the best. We stay with the people.
Top rank ladies, how does it feel to be here at the Box Fan Expo?
It is always so exciting to be all around all the fight fans. They're just so energetic and really excited.
Everyone's just here actually just enjoying themselves and having fun.
So much bigger crowd and it's just much more exciting.